Good morning to all. I am again present in front of you my YouTube channel Engineering Mathematics with competitive exam UP TGT, PGT and 10th 12th class UP CBSE and ISC books. I have completed the all type mathematics my YouTube channels. For example, higher mathematics for the classes BSc, BTech, Polytechnic Diploma and MBA classes. And all boards of UP, CBSE, ICSE 9th, 10th, first year and 12th. All maths completed my YouTube channel free of cost. If you study in these all classes, these all in one classes, so I am inform you, you are joined by the YouTube channel and complete our mathematics syllabus without any fee. My YouTube channel devoted the huge student not afforded the coaching classes fees. So this is the free of cost. We are provide the all lectures for the all types of mathematics. अगर आप 9th 10th फर्स्ट ईयर इंटर बीटेक बीएससी या पॉलिटेक्निक डिप्लोमा एमबीए किसी भी क्लास में स्टडी कर रहे हैं तो मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से जुड़ जाइए और फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट अपना मैथमेटिक्स का सिलेबस कंप्लीट करिए। इस पे कोई भी हमारे चैनल पर फीस नहीं है। मैथमेटिक्स एंड ज्योग्राफी क्लासेज भी आपके लिए अवेलेबल है माय यूट्यूब चैनल। ज्योग्राफी क्लासेज फॉर द यूजीसी नेट, यूपी टीजीटी, पीजीटी एंड आरपीएससी, हायर एजुकेशन यूपीएचईएससी and all competitive exam for the geography classes and mathematics classes available in my YouTube channel free of cost. Experienced teachers why covered this syllabus. So we are discussing in previous lecture the one dimensional heat equation, how to solve with the given conditions, questions. So in that series we are discuss the next question of this. The same types of questions, only conditions are changed. Same type of questions, only conditions are changed. So we are study the question. You are looking at the board. The ends A and B, the rods of 20 centimeter long. A and B end per the length of rod is 20 centimeter long. In previous lecture we are discussed the length of rod is L centimeter. Here in place of L is 20 centimeter. Only change the L and 20 centimeter. And the third. And have the temperature at 30 degree centigrade and 80 degree centigrade. At a point, length is 0, but temperature is 30 degree centigrade, and at a point B, length is 20 centimeter, temperature is 80 degree centigrade. Okay? Study state prevail the temperature ends are changed. टेम्परेचर चेंज होता है तो बेट मीन्स वो डिस्कशन बाद में करेंगे, पहले यहाँ देखते हैं। देखिए पॉइंट ऑफ ए वी आर कैन राइट x1 y1 and x2 of y2, ठीक है ना। राइट द इनिशियल टेम्परेचर, राइट द इनिशियल टेम्परेचर ऑफ रॉड। इनिशियल टेम्परेचर ux, t इक्वल टू ux, t सॉरी अभी आपका यूकेशन ऑफ लाइन पासिंग थ्रू 2 points A and of B. You know the study in previous classes. Y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 or x minus of x1. You write y minus y1. y1 value is 30 degree centigrade, y2 80 degree centigrade minus 30 degree centigrade, x2 is 20 degree minus of 0 or x minus x1 is also 0. So y equal to 30 plus 80 minus this is the 50 upon 20 into of x, cancel out of this. So y equal to 30 plus 5x over 2. We write ux, t equal to 30 plus 5x over of 2. This is the initial temperature. temperature. देखिए condition is that A point coordinate right in the form of the 0 in 30 degree centigrade and 20 in 80 degree. We find the equation of line passing through 2 points A and B. We know the formula of this y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 x2 minus x1 x minus of x1. We are sort out, then we write the temperature of this u x comma 2. Here वर्क और अब आपका u इज बाई के प्लेस पे ये लगा दीजिए. दिस इज द कंडीशंस. एंड सेकंड यू आर रीड द क्वेश्चन. द टेम्परेचर एंड आर चेंज 40 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. देखिए वी आर चेंज द कंडीशन ऑफ दिस टेम्परेचर इज चेंज 40 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड एंड दिस टेम्परेचर इज चेंज 60 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. देखिए दिस इज द सेकंड स्टेट, प्रीवियल स्टेट. Temperature change 40 degree, 30 change to 40 degree centigrade and 80 change to the 60 degree centigrade. Again we write value of this y minus equation of line passing through 2 points. Second condition, same condition, y minus y1 40 equal to y2 60 minus 40 upon 20 minus of 0 x minus of 0. y minus 40 value of this is the 20 over 20 into x. Cancel out of this. Y equal to 40 plus of x. Write u x comma t equal to 40 plus of x. You write of this कि u x comma t equal to 40 plus of x. Okay, understand? Same procedure we are applying in this questions. Please wake up. Rub the questions. You find the intermediate temperature. We find the intermediate temperature of u. We find the intermediate temperature of u. We write of u x comma t equal to u1 x comma t plus u2 x comma of t. In previous question we are discussing same condition in previous question. U x comma t equal to u1 x comma t and u2 x comma of t. This is the temperature of steady state. And देखिए this is transient temperature. देखिए where u2 x comma 2 is the temperature of steady state and u1 x comma 2 temperature of transient for one dimensional heat equation. ठीक है ना. दिस इज द टेम्परेचर ऑफ u1 x comma t, u2 x. दिस इज द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द स्टडी स्टेट. दिस इज द कंडीशन satisfy the transient temperature है, so satisfy the one dimensional heat equation. So we write u x comma t of this u1 of this u1 x comma t, sorry एक सेकंड, वन डायमेंशनल हीट इक्वेशन del u over del t equal to c square del 2u over del x2. This is the first equation, this is the second. We know about the solution of this equations. We are discussing previous lecture. So you are now see my the previous lecture. Please see my the previous lecture, and after then better understanding you see this lectures. So solution, we write the direct u1 x comma t equal to c1 cos px plus c2 sin px c3 e to the power c square p square t over e to the power c square p square into of t. So c square p square into of t. So write in equation number first u x comma t. Write the value of this c1 cos px plus c2 sin px c3 e to the power minus c square p square t plus of, this is the u2x, and plus of u2 of x. u2 of x represent of this is the steady state temperature. This is the steady state temperature. So 40 plus of x. So you are write the complete solution of this partial differential equation in the form of this u x comma t equal to 40 plus of x plus c1 cos px plus c2 sin of px or c3 e to the power c square p square t. This is the third. Okay, previous question में हमारा जो u2 x comma t था, that is a suddenly reduce 0 and 0, so we get the 0, so we add in this equation 0, that is the this. But steady state temperature we are find in this question 40 plus x, so we write the 40 plus x of the transient temperature. You are find the intermediate temperature. Intermediate temperature find करने के लिए क्या find करेंगे, u1x the transient temperature and u2x comma t is the steady state temperature. Steady state temperature, so दोनों को plus करेंगे, then you are solution of this equation. After then we are applying the condition of this equation. First condition is that, so please make a note. First condition is x is 0, then u equal to 40 degree centigrade. Because आपने देखा फर्स्ट कंडीशन में आपका 0 कितना था, 0 and 30 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. बोथ कंडीशन is removed. After then the suddenly change the temperature 30 to 40 degree. So u is the initial condition. We are applying the temperature of 40 degree centigrade. Okay. So 40 equal to 40 plus of 0 plus of cos 0 c1 plus 0 e to the power minus c square p square t. Now cancel out of this, so c1 equal to 0 in equation number 3. We are putting this value in equation number 3. c1 equal to 0. We are change the equation of this in the form of this u x comma t equal to 40 plus x, c1 0 10 term 0 और plus c2 c3 sin of px e to the power minus c square p square in t. So this is the fourth equation. This is the fourth equation. Now we applying the next conditions. Now we are applying the second condition is that x equal to 20 degree centigrade. X equal to 20 degree centigrade and x equal to 20 degree centigrade and length of 20 centimeter and temperature is that. Second condition की बात कर रहा हूँ, temperature is 60 degree centigrade. So u equal to 60 degree of centigrade. 60 degree of centigrade. We are applying the condition of that. So 60 equal to 40 plus 20 plus c2 c3 sin of x 20 of p e to the power minus c square p square of t. 60 that is cancelled. तो 0 इक्वल टू C2 C3 साइन ऑफ 20p e to the power c square p square of t. Again you are let the value of sine of 20p equal to 0, 20p equal to n pi, p equal to n pi over of 20. Putting in equation number 4, p की वैल्यू n pi upon 20, we are change only l in place of l is 20. 20 आया आपका, 20 आप फिफ्थ में फिर पुट कर दीजिए. ओके, प्लीज मेक अप. Understand all of you? Very simple. Any doubt? Please tell me about this question. Most important for the exam purpose. We write the value of p in the equation number this. Equation number this we write. So u x comma t equal to 40 plus x plus C2 C3 sin px, sin of p वैल्यू आपका n pi x over of 20 and e to the power c square n square pi square upon 400 2 of t. Square of 20 is the 400. Okay, so this is the equation number of fifth. Now applying the last condition is that. So applying the last condition is that. Last condition is here. T equal to 0 and u equal to 30 plus 5 by 2 of x. Okay, applying of this 30 plus 5 by 2 of x, 40 plus x equal to C2 C3 sin n pi x over 20. T value 0, value is 1. Okay, you are taking out of this 30 plus 5 by 2x minus 40 minus x equal to C2 3 sin n pi x over of 20. So sort out this minus this 2, 3x over 2 minus of 10 equal to C2 C3 sin of n pi x over of 20. Again we write, we let C2 C3 equal to of b. तो 3x over 2 minus 10 sigma of bn sin of n pi x over 20. We find the value of bn by the Fourier series. Find the value of bn by Fourier series. Fourier series से you are get the value of bn. So bn equal to value of, देखिए अब फूरियर सीरीज से यू आर गॉट द वैल्यू ऑफ bn. bn की वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे तो फूरियर सीरीज में लेंथ l थी. अब यहाँ पे हमारे पास क्या होगी कंडीशन बताइए आप. 2 अपॉन l तो 2 अपॉन 20, 0 to 20 और fx साइन ऑफ n pi x over 20 और into of dx. You are write the value of this in place of fx. fx के प्लेस पे ये पुट करेंगे. आफ्टर देन यू आर अप्लाइंग द लिमिट 0 to 20 you get the value of this. प्लीज मेक अ नोट. सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. वी आर द डिस्कस ऑफ द फूरियर सीरीज. So bn equal to 1 by 10, 0 to 20. Write the value of fx. Fx is value of 3 upon 2x minus 10 और sin of n pi x upon 20 into of dx. 1 by 10, 3 by 2x minus 10. Integration of this function minus cos n pi x upon 20 into 20 upon n pi minus differentiation of this function 3 by 2 0. So sine of n pi x over 20 into value of 400 over n square pi square 0 2 of 20. Applying the limit 1 by 10 3 upon 2 into 20 minus 10 or minus cos n pi 20 over 20 into 20 upon n pi plus 3 upon 2 sin n pi into 20 over 20 or 400 upon n square pi square minus applying the 0, this is value is 0, so minus 10 and minus 0 cos 0 का वैल्यू 1 और 20 upon n pi and applying sin 0 is 0. ये value is that. We are applying the limit of this. You are seeing that 10 20 20 cancel, 20 20 cancel, 1 by 10 30 minus 10 20 लेकिन minus sign, that is minus cos n pi is value minus 1 to the power n, so 20 upon of n pi. Again sin n pi is also 0 plus of 0 minus this minus and this minus, sorry, minus plus and again minus 10 into 20 upon n pi, value is that 1 by 10. Sort out of this question, this is आपका minus का 400 minus 1 to the power n upon n pi minus value of that 10, this is value आपका 200 upon n pi value of, you are again common out of this 1 by 10 into 200 2 minus 1 to the power n upon n pi भी बाहर minus 1, so cancel out of this. Please make a note. बिल्कुल simple, very simple question for you. After then we are discussed, we are putting the value of these. Value is that 20 upon n pi minus 2 minus 1 to the power n or minus of 1, taken out or minus is common, minus 20 upon n pi 2 minus 1 to the power n plus of 1, this is the value of bn. You are putting the value of bn in place of these, so you x common minus 40 plus x minus 20 upon n pi 2 minus 1 to the power n plus of 1 or sin n pi x over 20 into value of this e to the power c square n square pi square upon 400 into of t. This is the complete solution of this partial differential equation. Most important for the exam purpose के 40 plus x minus minus 20 upon this minus 2 of this and this is the solution of the partial differential. Understand all of you? Similar question, both most important question for your exam purpose. This is the comes in exam for the 10 marks. So understand all of you. Please any query, any doubt, you are write by the comment box. Thanks for watching the complete video.